Welcome back to Overheat, Hyundai Motorhome 2026. External, aerodynamic body to increase fuel efficiency and decrease wind resistance. A sleeker, less boxy design will look more sophisticated and athletic. Hyundai's distinctive Parametric Pixels design will be incorporated into the headlights and taillights, which will use complete LED technology to provide ideal lighting and a strong personality. Large windows will maximize natural light and offer vast vistas, while an automatic sliding door on the passenger side will make access simple. For families or groups, a pop-up roof option will be offered, adding further sleeping space upstairs. There will be plenty of storage space in the closet, above the cabin, and beneath the floor. Interior, the kitchen will have a microwave, sink, small refrigerator, and induction stove. A dining table that slides or folds up will save room. The beds will have ergonomic mattresses for optimal comfort. A fixed bed in the back may be available in larger variants. Openable windows and skylights will provide adequate air circulation, and ambient LED lighting will create a comfortable ambience. Hyundai's varied powertrain technology is well known. Conventional engines, powerful gasoline or diesel engines that can traverse a range of terrains will be typical. Hybrid powertrains, long trips are best served by hybrid choices because they maximize fuel efficiency. BEVs, using technology from the Ioniq 5 or Ioniq 7, Hyundai may also introduce an all-electric motorhome with enough range for daily commuting. These will provide a peaceful and eco-friendly driving experience. Infotainment System, the main control panel for entertainment, navigation, and other RV operations will be a sizable touchscreen. Both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay will be integrated with this system. Connectivity, the entire cabin will include USB-C charging connections and built-in Wi-Fi. Automatic climate control, both when driving and when parked. A sophisticated climate control system will keep the interior at a pleasant temperature. Has 360-degree camera.